Welcome. We're here today with Tire Guard, a product of Big Bike Parts. We're going to be discussing the new wireless tire pressure monitor system that can be mounted to your handlebars, either via the face clamp and or your handlebar mount, whichever way you may choose to mount this onto your motorcycle. This product is going to keep you, the motorcyclist, informed on your tire pressure as well as your temperature. You can adjust the individual settings for your upper as well as your lower pressure and temperature for both the front and the rear tire. The tire pressures are going to run from kPa to bar to PSI. Those are the 3 or 4 choices that you can have. Also, Fahrenheit and Celsius. With this kit, you're going to get the tire pressure monitor system receiver as well as both the front and rear sending units. Included with it, you get all the bracketry, a silicone protective cover to protect it from the elements, as well as the batteries for the monitor and the sensors themselves. In order to install this on a GL 1800, we're going to go through with a 5mm Allen wrench, remove the upper face clamp bolt, and replace that bolt with the one that we sent with the kit. You can also adjust the angle at which you view the unit or the monitor. Whether you, the driver, or the passenger want to keep an eye on it, that is completely up to you. With that installed, we're going to go ahead and install the battery on the back of the receiving unit. Alright, with that installed, we're going to go ahead and also install the protective silicone cover, which will protect it from the elements, as well as from scratching if you do tend to carry it around in your pocket when you leave the bike, if you're at the gas station, at a restaurant, or at the motel. You can see with that installed, you're still going to be able to see through it. For the video purposes, I'm going to take it back off so you can see the clarity of the screen from a distance. With that done, we're going to go ahead and take the batteries and install them in the front sensors. It's also extremely important that every morning when you come out to move your bike, make sure you power up the unit before you move the bike, as that will wake up the sensors and send the signal automatically to your receiving unit. The one thing you're going to notice on this unit is that when you're flashing a low pressure, you're also going to get a red light flashing on the dash that's going to alert you that you have an issue going on with your tires. With the 2 batteries installed, we'll now install them on the front sensor as well as the rear sensor onto the valve stems. Checking for clearance along the way to make sure that you do not have any issues with clearing the caliper or brake lines that come into the bike. You can also install locking rings that will prevent others from stealing your units and keeping them on the motorcycle. These locking rings will just lock the sensors onto the valve stem. With those installed, you're going to notice now that we've got 25 pounds, 24 pounds in the front, 32 in the rear. What's going to happen is most motorcyclists, when they're driving their motorcycle, don't even realize that they're riding on underinflated tires. What's happening is you're actually burning through your tires quicker, decreasing your fuel economy, and also taking away the riding characteristics of your motorcycle. This product can help you, again, increase your fuel efficiency and your overall riding enjoyment. If you have any questions with regards to this item, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com and check out our dealer locator section. You can also drop us an email at info@bigbikeparts.com or give us a phone call with any of your questions at 888-BIG-BIKE. Thank you and safe riding.